Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm back a little bit today. Let's see. Now, I need to do the usual. Just a sec. There we are. Need to tweet out some stuff here. Now let's see. There is one. Tweet, next tweet. There we go. And this one. Just a sec. Oh, I know why spot. Tweet. There we go. Now, let's continue. I need to remove some errors here. It's valid. I want to do this, and if it's not valid, I want to just add an empty one. There we go. Hello, Twitch guy, whomever is there. Awesome. Just copy this one, getting in here, going there. Write this in over there. I could do this and just move this one down. There we go. Now I need to add this one to there. And this, come on, no, it doesn't want to, damn it, in there. Excuse me. Here we go. Let's see. My wife and kids are home, so. Where is that window? I want it up, and it's over there. I don't want it there, I want it here. There we go. I just need to tweet, not tweet, but want to see my progress. There we go. Hello, Twitch guy. Awesome. Thank you for coming. Now we have to test it out, see what we get. Sorry about the cam freezing up sometimes. There we go. Perfect. Nice bathroom. Here is the bedroom. I guess this is gonna be the living room. Guys, I'm gonna add a door here and a door in there. And I want a door in here and a door in there. And it's gonna add what's called what the friend is called, not function room, but more of a utility room, like a closet or something. I'm actually gonna add every empty space if after it creates where it's not any names, it's where he filled out the empty space with closest room. And I'm gonna add some sort of check to say maybe he's gonna choose to be a utility room instead of a living room, for instance. But a bigger chance to be a living room than a utility room. Here it's gonna be a living room either way. I am. Now fill empty spots. Very fine. I need to add another material, please. Test material, and I want to just use this one. Utility room. There we go. I want to open this one and create, I don't know, a white utility room. Should be white, I guess. Yeah, let's have it white. Where is this now? This one should be I think I need to have this one to room to create local. There we go. Add this one in there, and I want to add this one there, this one there, and this one there. Get. There we go, and remove this, and we're gonna have some fun. This one's gonna be run either way. There. Just move this over there. Then I want to actually add, let's see, where did I add instance, create, set room name, is it this one? I need to go inside and change enum rooms. Let's see, add another one, new room. G room, save. There we go, another one. Then I want to yes, fill elements. I want to have a branch here. There and there, just move them up a little bit. There we go. And if it's, I want to have a utility room, and I want to have this one in there. Name. There we go, and I want to add this target map typing. Don't tell me it's no. What does he do? Fine, if it doesn't, he adds new. That's good. That's good. That's okay. I say that's okay. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Now, and this is gonna be a random wait from stream. And I want to use the temp stream there too, and it's gonna be more likely to drop up there. So point, let's say 9, unless if this one is going to be I think I'm actually going excuse me. There we go. If this one ends without any, and it's still not, no, I need a branch, B for branch, guys, remember. And if this one doesn't have a room name, not equal to a room name, then I want to do nothing. Not equal to empty, but if it's empty, I want to add another room here. No, not. Ugh, crap! Damn it! Damn it! I want to select it all there and there. Copy, right? It's got everything, but what? I copied this one. Damn you. Wait a minute, no. Anyway, just pick it up from here. There we go. Split. What? Come on. It's not, don't crash on me now, please. Is it crashing? Is it crashing? No, it didn't. It's okay. There we go. Move this one slightly down there, but I want to add this one down here and plug it in there. There we go. And plug it in there. Just move this inch up. There we go. Now it should be, oh, gotta sit, that hurts. There we go. I think this should be enough actually. For these two should be empty. Now let's see how this is gonna be, except for the error. Excuse me, the errors. Why are you calling an error? Is it this one that's invalid? Filling empty spots. I don't get it. What is it? Oh, this one probably. Room type is gonna be. There we go. Room type to be utility room on both. No, not living, utility. There we go. Move it over there. Are you happy with this choice or? Yes, it was good. Now that's fine, but over here it's gonna be a problem. This one is connected to that one, which then is gonna be empty room. I know why about this one, because this one is not created until it gets here, and I got to make this way actually. And this one's gonna be false. No, it won't be false. Never mind. I think I have to actually do this more to local variable. Room type local. Yes, room type local. Where did it go? There you go. I actually have to do this. Ah, damn it. Anyway, there. And I want to use this one. Basically here, there, and I want to add this one here with the room type utility, and it's a bit tight in there, so let's move them along. There we go. You two, there. There we go. Now it should be correct. There's utility room either way. What else sort of information should be? Pain in my knee. This should be empty, both of them, doesn't matter, because it's a new, completely new room, not a. Now let's see what's happening. Oh, you created a utility room here. But I didn't create stuff. Crap, I forgot to create. I forgot to create. Is it this one that shows me how to create? Oh, scratch. Oh no, I don't feel like this song is any good choice. There we go, add room. Where is room? No, not room info, adding rooms. There we go. Finding next room. You know, I just want to add finding next room signs, set room names, add an instance copy. This one needs to be added to. I think I'm gonna add another one to utility room. And I need to go in here and add this beauty in there. And I want to add these two, this and this, and no, stop it. This. Copy. Fill empty spots. And I need to actually move this this over there. There we go. Move a little bit down and drag this over there, and I want to control V, but I didn't want the whole thing, but that's okay. That's good. Become there and there, and this one to be utility room. Now let's see. Shape plane, but yeah, it should be good enough. But I needed to add it into there too, so I need to move them over a bit. Hello, ever joined the chat? And awesome for you to be awesome that you dropping by or staying or whatever. And sorry about my laggy cam, is a bit laggy. I know. And the cam, I mean my phone. I'm using my phone as a cam. It's cool, quite not as good as I want to. I'm very smart. Okay, that's awesome. I'm very smart. And a yin yang. I love it. People actually talking to me on the YouTube sites. Awesome. I love it. I just had to find a YouTube. There we go. I need to find my own. How you doing? I'm very smart. Are you doing fine? Anything fun happening to any of you guys? Anything at all? Nothing? Anything? I'm just gonna track down that little YouTube site. Sorry if I'm a little bit distracted right now. And just me concentrating on finding the correct link to my own distracted thing. Sorry. How many says? Doesn't say how many it's watching there. Did you just drop that message and then leave? No, it says one watching. But a bloody what's it called? OBS thingy doesn't say. Streamlabs, I mean, doesn't update it. Streamlabs is a bit slow, or it's just me. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's not important anyway. But thanks for actually talking in the stream. I love it. Now let's continue in this. I need to actually add this in there. What would be fuck it. No, I won't do it. I won't make it messy. I will have it non-messy spot, even though this kind of messy, especially over here. I think I could make it a little less messy by dragging this over there. Looks a little less messy, doesn't it? Messy? Nobody likes it messy. So if I do this, which one is he gonna... He's gonna freaking... Yeah, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. This one could I just move over there. It looks a little bit less messy. This one I could drag over there. And this one in there. Makes it yeah. A little messy, a little bit less messy. Move this down an inch and this one in there. Scratch my nose, double click here, drag it over there, pull this into here. Now, this one, I don't need this one here though. Yeah, it's fine. It annoys me he's crossing over there. Anyway, let's move it up there. This one could be moved up there. And this one could be moved up here. Geez, my nose is itchy. What if I drag this up there? Does it look a little bit less? Yeah, I guess so. This one in there. Now, let's see, did he do what I want him to do? Let's see, guys, let's see. Save, now, play. There we go. He actually added. And as I thought, it added a utility room in there. In the living room. Not kinda liking it. But this one is okay. Coming into the front door over here. An outer hallway here. And then there's a utility room, whatever I feel like adding. Into the hallway. Adding a door here to the living room. But hello, but I don't like it spinning there. Into the bedroom and a bathroom there. And into kitchen here. I'm sorry, scratching. There we go. Let's see. I need another condition to make this one seeing. Oh, well, it's surrounded by. I'm wondering how. If this one is made before these are made. Zip, dip, dip, doo. I think I'm actually gonna make it even a less chance of it. 0.95. Come on, save. Thank you. Let's see if it's helping a little bit. No. He's very determined to actually because it's gonna add any empty rooms that doesn't fit any other rooms with utility rooms. That's fine. But nobody wants a utility room in the living room. So yes, I'm actually gonna make a turn this back to here. No, 0.9, enter, thank you. And I want to add, if this one is basically not a living room, because we don't want to have any utility rooms. This one to be, no, this one is turning to be not a living room. I need to say, if this is a living room, it should be, maybe I should have an equal there. Equal, if this, no, if this equals a living room, or this one is saying no, then this was be the same thing. No, it won't. This one actually, if it's equal, it will go up there creating a room, the room that's connected, even though if this says false to create a utility room. So this should work, guys, it should work. And it did. Remove the little utility room from the living room. Feel like it's done, but to make sure, we need to try different seeds. Now, let's see how this one will be. Where is the seed? Temp seed. There we go. Just copy this one and drag it up to something. Let's see how it's gonna build up this room. 1 viewer, thank you for the notice, but I think it's actually 2 viewer, but still doesn't update that one watching on the YouTube channel. That's strange. You're very smart if you're hiding from all this. I'm a very smart guy. Did it just crash? He's being a D and crashing. Damn it. Damn it. Ow. Oh my, I have a sit here. Sorry. I'm sorry for the lag of the thingy, of the cam, I mean. Just the cam that's laggy. Sorry. Did I just push anything? Oh, I think it's about... Oh, where? Yes, I know it's all fine. Next room start. Infinite loops. Why? Shouldn't be infinite loops because it has to be. Where does he create this one? This one is room names local. That's fine. Is it this one that's show buildings, receive play, buildings, adding rooms? It's probably this. There shouldn't be any loops there though. Only loops I got is actually in here, so I need this one to do a check. Basically making this one, if this one length, no length, Let's see, move it a little bit up, I think. No, wait. I'm actually gonna move the whole thing over there to these two, I mean, to move a little bit up. There, the length is above 0. Yes, it's moving, then it's getting. So it's a big chance it's not getting anything there, so I need to remove this there. The length is above 0, then run this thing basically. Move you a little bit over there and a little bit more. But if it's not, don't do anything, just break this loop. Because if it's not a connected room, I have to solve this. I'm gonna see how it looks. Anyway, now I think I got that one branch here. Let's see. This is valid. Yeah, is this valid? Here, this one? Condition local. It should be not eternal loop. It's not empty, meaning it's true and has a room. Now, just try to save just to see how it. Hello, whomever dropped by. Sorry if I'm kind of boring when I speak. I'm just thinking while I'm speaking. It's not that easy, you know. It's not that easy. There we go. Now it worked. Just needed. Oh, cool. This is actually the front. And it made a hallway that's kind of big. But I didn't like this though. And here's a utility room. Ooh, nice. Hey Lemmy, awesome you dropping by. Cool, cool. Look. Oh, okay. Account when you thinking about what's it called? Discord, meaning? Oh no, I don't like this. It turned all this into... The shape was kinda cool though. I don't mind this one to be utility room, but I don't like this too. Oh, I'm so sorry. That sucks. Yeah, it's annoying when you lose your phone. I know. Or actually, I don't know. I never lost my phone. I guess I'm lucky. Oh, your Twitch. Okay. Oh, you just added a couple of numbers after. Oh, yeah, I understand. I didn't notice actually. That's awesome. Oh, you lost your. Can't you just receive to your email to restore the password and such? I don't like this to be filled. The hallway is a bit too big. This one actually is fine. It doesn't matter if it covers this. That's fine. It's okay. You're here. It's okay. And I don't like this. I can't save them in my laptop, but that's my friends. Oh, yeah, okay. That's okay. The main thing you're here to see my beautiful creation. That kinda failed me here. It's not. I need to cut down on the hallways to be a little bit smaller. But the kitchen, he's not supposed to add. There's no names over this part of the kitchen, meaning he's creating the kitchen all the way there. I'm making this blueprint that creates houses. Yeah, nice. Yeah, but I changed the seed of the house now, and this is what I created with the new seed. You forgot to add the living room and the bedroom and everything. Just added a hallway, an outer hallway, and a kitchen with a long entrance. And this is the utility room though. And create a huge utility room back here. This would be perfect if it was a store or something, or some sort of place where you eat, a restaurant. So this would be perfect for that, but it's not. It's a house, so damn it. I need to change some variables, because this one is, in my sense, it's not allowed to add kitchen stuff. It's if it's just one by one thing. So I need to where did I yeah, if you, yeah, I could try, but I have no idea what it looks like. And I want to make it a little bit random, but sure, I can try if I know how it looks like. Now, adding to empty fill spot. This one. If it's not valid, I don't want to add actually this. I don't want to add anything, meaning actually doing this. I just need to save some info. I need to add a new text and call it game info, just some stuff. And I need to add the seed I used earlier. Now save. There we go. So I don't lose it. Yeah, but I'm not gonna concentrate on stuff like that right now. I just want to make the other things work before I add specific stuff I want to add, like stores or something. Because I want everything to be random with a seed, but I want to add some special stuff in between those things that makes it, like for instance, that's the that Canadian Tire thing, that shop. That shop I could add, but I want to add it after all the random stuff. Then I add a shop, and the specific stuff that I want to. Maybe I add a story to a house, a scary house. I add somewhere to make it fun, so everybody can go there. It's the same in every place, but everything else is gonna be random. But those specific stuff I'm gonna add in afterwards. First, I'm gonna fix this. And now, let's see. I removed the part because I think it actually, when it was sort as a wrong thing, no. It shouldn't have been added there. Why are you still adding it, you little... It's not adding those. If it's oh, because I didn't do it in this one. I forgot I had 2 of these. Need to add. There we go. And there, and compile and save. Now. Probably gonna add, still gonna add. Why? I want to add, This one should be adding nothing. Oh. Maybe I should do, no, this one there and this one here. I think I forgot 2 viewers. I like it. Thank you, Wisebot, but I don't need to know. I already knew. Do and the music stuff for me. There we go. Thank you. Now can I push this button and make you some whisper mod? There we go. What's this? Add a move, blah blah. Add a move editor. Sure. Now you become everything, Lemon. Every button I click, you become fun. And I saw some other stuff I could add to the other account when I get that one back and running. Now, X and Y is correct. Now let's see how it reacts. There we go. Play. And it still does the same thing. No, I didn't want to. What? Oh, because I want to add this one in there, not that one. They're inside, and there. Did I do the same mistake over here? This was the X, this is the Y. No, I didn't do the same mistake over there. Now, let's see. Now, guys, now we'll see. Play. Thank you. And it's still adding this. It's not supposed to add unless either have an empty foundation beside or have a foundation with the same room in there. And this one shouldn't have been added here either. The big letters means this is the starting point of the kitchen. Add a kitchen here without, that's fine. I don't mind him adding kitchen here after creating. But I don't mind, I mind him to do it here. He has supposed to stop right there. X. Let's see. That's this side is plus X. This one is minus X. This is. No problem. No problem. Why is he being a douche? Thank you, Lemon. Awesome. No, it actually was fast. Because earlier it had problems with updating. The Y spot updated me before the other one. Awesome. I like it, Lemon. I like it. Now I have to find out why is he being a douche. I don't like that. Here we go. No, it wasn't this one. Set room name. No. Getting XY. Isn't it the same thing as this one? Yes, I think it's the same thing. Yeah. Getting is the same thing. Fill empty spots. There we go. This one should be false because it doesn't have any. But I don't like him actually not adding living rooms and such. So let's do some adding rooms. Going in here. And where is the spot? The length is fine, but I don't. What if we say the minimum is 2? No, maximum is 2. Basically 2 by 2. Now let's see how it will fold out now. Yeah, a bedroom though. That's good. And it's adding this in the between, which is kind of fine, but I don't like it because you get this problem. It does the same over here. Why? Oh, it's not adding to the here because these are corners. It's only searching for edges, which is fine, but that's problem with a small a narrow house. I don't want to be a narrow house, too narrow. Look, it's too long. That's just looks a bit weird to have. So I'm gonna have a minimum 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I want to. And let's going back to the event graph, looking for. By the way, I have to change the music in lots of other ways here. Come on, music. Sorry, hiccups. Now, adding foundations. I want to add a minimum size of the building to be. Oh yeah, I had this minimum width. I think I'm gonna have a 5. It doesn't matter. A minimum width of 5. Now let's see how we build this one out. Let's see. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He adds a bedroom in there. Why? How do I get even? Strange. This one is actually not a room check. It's a build it. Oh, because he's building first one here And it works against. Oh yeah. Why didn't this one get turned then? Well, I think I'm gonna add this hallway to check the sides. If this side is the last, is either left side, right side, or whatever, he's gonna move. Where did he start the hallway? I think. He's gonna start over here instead. And I think I'm gonna adding some more stuff. We don't want to adding rooms. There we go. It's gonna check the location, getting the room start, setting names, finding room sides. That's fine. Finding room starts. I want to have. When did he add actually there? No, it's not this one I actually need. Actually, where so many adding rooms. Is this one I need to get? So this one I need to find. Then he checks if. He's actually checking edge. That's fine. The front. So I'm actually gonna add not building sides to be this one. I don't want him to be added to compile what you, yeah, probably because you're refresh, make. Actually don't want you to have either front right, back, or left. I don't want it to spawn the rooms with on either one of them, because that means it's no room for expansion basically. And I want to do yes, this one is and contains item. If this side of a house contains any of these, there, and I want to move you over here. No, I just want one of you. No, you little twat. I mean, damn it. There we go. There we go. And here I want to right click. No, right click and delete. And I just want to. This is if it contains. This one should be false. So contains not. I'm pretty sure I want it like this. Now let's see how it reacts to this one. Yeah. What are you complaining about now, you little? Why? Oh yeah. Refresh, please. Finding. This is creating what? The hallway. But this one, I don't mind him being on the sides, actually. edge. I actually want more than just edge here, so I think I'm gonna do the same here. I don't mind him going to the left. Remove. I don't mind him going to the start at the back because it's never gonna be able to start at the back anyway, because this is the thing that's been adding straight after the outer hallway has been added. I don't mind them going to the right, but the front I could add in there. And I'm probably gonna add the same thing over here, basically making this multiple choice. That's fine, but sort of actually. There we go, and add this one in here. Where's the doesn't matter. Contains item, please. Choose your correct side, please. Now this one is in there. This one I don't want to turn around. I just want them to, if it contains, then it's happy. There we go. There and there. Move them a little bit up there, thank you. Back. No, I didn't want to push back. What did I do? Adding rooms anyway. No, adding rooms I said. This one, refresh. Make. This one I could actually edge. Hello, ever joined and the music stopped and usual, that's annoying. There we go, start, thank you. Do I only want it on an edge? Think. This one I only want to edge at, no. Refresh node. Make. No, enter. Thank you. Damn it. This one I only want an edge for now, so let's add this there. This one I actually want to have a corner to. Let's try it. Let's see what it does. He doesn't use this anywhere else, I think. No. So this should be good. Now let's see what it does. Let's press play. 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 Actually does no different. Why not? It's choosing the same one either way, even though I added the corners in the variable. But I want him to... Didn't I just say it's not allowed? I need to add breakpoint. Play. Hallway, that's fine, but I want to know the name of... That's a connected room. I want to know the name of this one. Kitchen. Yes, that's fine. I don't want to check this one. I want to check the bedroom. Yes. Oh, sorry, my nose itchy. Now, F11, push and douche. There we go. On there, it contains false, because it's not. What? It shouldn't have a middle part, actually. Hallway 1, that's fine. What is the contains false? The hallway should only have edges and corners, meaning actually this is probably a corner then. True, true. That's fine. No, damn it. I didn't want to do that. This one is what? The bathroom. So why doesn't this one and just use F11? That's fine. Oh, no, I don't want to do it one more time. In which room is he referring to now? The bedroom. That's fine. How? And never mind, this is probably the... Oh yeah, because I didn't find anything in either of the rooms. Which is not supposed to actually, because they all filled up, and that's actually made sense. But this one is designated a left side of the, so we shouldn't be start building on the left side. He's being a douche, guys, a real douchebag. Now let's do it again. I think I'm gonna skip this one. And which room is this? Bedroom, just the one I'm looking for. He's supposed to have front, right, back, and left, and looking for the edge. I'm not making on either of these. I should probably add the corners too, but yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Yes, I know. Next, this one looks fine. Let's see the next one. False. This one is false. This one is false. Next, true. False. Cider height contains. So, well, that's incorrect. Stating to what I've seen. Didn't he add? Let's see. Strange. Just press play. Yes. Now let's see, because the big letters is where he starts the room, the starting point of the room. Meaning he is actually not seeing this as a left side. Did I set this one incorrectly? Basically this one. Because if this foundation is on a side, no, actually he's doing it correctly, because the hallway is in the middle of the house. It's not supposed to be on either side, which is fine. But what I wanted to check is not this one. I actually want to check because if it's an edge, we certainly know. Change the music again. Sorry, guys. My way of thinking, you're listening to me thinking out loud. Because now it's searching if it can't. The hallway is on the edge, the right side or left side of the building, which is not. It's in the middle, so it's correct, doing correctly. I don't want to check this into be yes, this too actually I want to, but I also want to check find, because I know it's an edge. If this one is true, then it's an edge, meaning only one of the sides of that foundation is not either. Yeah, it's not himself, the same room basically. Move this one up there. Let's figure out which one is that. Now I want to add instance positive, add room info, lines foundation, identify room position. How did this one work? No, I don't want to use this one. Where did I? Let's do this. Add foundation, add rooms. I want to in here. There we go. I don't want to use this one. This one is himself finding room sides. No. So I want to get, how does this work actually? It's just doing this. Okay, that's fine. Where did it go? The one, there we go. I want to check. Checking number of read, checking room size, finding room sides. No. Oh, yeah, it can't loop himself, so that's okay. Find the next room, getting room direction. What does this? No, I don't want to use this one either. I should mark him better, I guess. Checking rooms. No, I don't want this one either. I just want to find the correct side, basically. Just looping through this one. Keys. And for loop through these, and then I want to find this. For looping through, finding if this one is an empty one, that means it's the side, which is the side, if you catch my drift. Now relative location, and I want to use this one and find this. Ooh, oh. Now then just break it, and then I want to add, is this has a room name, basically. Room name sets. Why did I? No, I just want to add, is this one equal to 0 or not equal to himself, basically what I want to look for. Not equal to himself, which is, where is this room name? Yeah, I can use the local variable here. Room name in there and start the music again, knowing he's not jumping over those who's not there. There we go. If this side doesn't contain and is the same room, meaning it's the foundation with the edge, basically. There you go, plug it in. Just move it a little bit down there, a little bit more. There we go. Now, if he finds the room, I want him to spit it out, basically. I need to have this one in yes, I need to have this one in his own little function. And my how's plans neighbor or finding edge neighbor. Yeah, I'm not good at naming stuff, sorry. I'm bad at naming stuff. Now plug it in there, and I want to add this one in there. So there. I think I want this to be up here actually. Then I want to true return, basically returning the neighbor, or do I want to return location? I think yes, I think I'll be easier. I could actually return both, that's fine. There we go, up there, and you can move under there. There we go. No, I want to, damn it, remove this one and be gone. I want to add this one in there actually. There we go. And then there we go. Ah, oh, come on. Thank you. Now. Yes, I know, Wisebot. Stop pestering me. And I'm very smart. Just added on you. I guess it's yin and yang again. But that's okay, it's okay. It's okay. You can be yin and yang if you really want to. And no, there we go. Plug it in, room name. I want to add there and move it up a bit. No, I said move it up a bit. And remove the local. There, and plug it in there. There we go. Now it should be fine. No, it wasn't the one I want to pull in. There. Target the. Why? Seen. Actually, collision objects box. Now it should be just fine, and I want to add this one in there. And the music stopped. Oh, it's changed music, good. Thank you, music thing, for not stopping. Now I want to take this one and I want to do the same scheisse over there. I almost said shit. I actually said shit now, sorry. Fine, I mean, fine. Sorry if I'm quite boring now. Don't mean to be boring and not doing what I usually do. I'm kind of concentrated and it makes me a little bit boring. Boring me? No, the concentrated me is kind of boring, so I'm sorry. So sorry. Now I want to break it now. I want to do this test. Is this one the sides of the house? Yes. Contains any of these? No. Sides of the house is contained in there. And I want to actually move there, and I have another branch. Guys, B for branch if you didn't know. B for branch, always B for branch. Remember that. There we go. So if this contains in here, meaning it's false. There. Now the reason I did it after this, because after this branch I already know it's gonna be an edge. But if it's accepting corners, then it's gonna be a different side actually. It's gonna be... Now why are you... Oh, thank you. There we go. Now let's try it out now. Let's see how it reacts. Oh, I didn't mean to pause it. Remove. Like... How? At least now he didn't build... Oh, I didn't want to do it. Build a bedroom here, but now it's utility room, all this, and a house filled with utility room. That doesn't seem so logical, does it? Damn it! Damn it! Damn it all to heck! I want him now. Actually, thinking of moving this hallway over there. So if the hallway detects, oh, my neighbor is on what's it called, on side of the building, I want to jump one over there, so the hallway will be there. I do want that indeed. So now let's find out. Here is the building of the hallway. In his position, I should find. He should actually looking for corners and edges too. And it's not in front, so this one should actually be correcto mundo. Now this is fine. It's just finding those, which is fine. Now I'm from the next room start. I want to this is the next room start, and I want him to go in here and check. Wondering am I gonna do the same here as I did the other one, finding edge in the where. Actually, I need to identify where it starts. He always starts at the plus. I have to check. He always starts at positive when he adds a foundation. So I need to actually identify which side is the positive, which one is Y, and which is minus Y, basically. So I just need to go in here, and I just want to do the same thing I've done over here. Copy, paste, and paste it over there, and move it a little bit there. And I want to have this one. Copy, paste, to be in there. And the target is Basically this one. No, I don't need this one actually. I just need, not in this case, 0. Now let's start again, just to see. Let's see. Excuse me. Now, here we go. Hallway 1 did start there. So this one is positive. He adds this one first, and then this one, and then this one, and so on and so on. Oh, if it starts here, it would add this one first, this one, and then this one, then this one, and then it will skip this one because it's nothing there and go straight over here and add what's supposed to be there over there. If it's been that wide though, but it's not. Oh, just scratching my You only need to check the minus side, because if it's adding I need to find, no, not it. Where did I add? Damn it. Adding rooms. I just want to add, go in here and do some stuff, and only if it's a hallway. If the room is equals hallway, then I want to do this check. True. What is check here? True, but what is this checking here? Finding. Fine. I can just add it after this one and B. If it's not a hallway, then just continue on what you always been doing. But if it is a hallway, I want to check the neighbor stuff, which is I want this one to be actually checked earlier. I do. No, I just did not pull it over there. I actually do. Now, drag you over there, and I think I'm gonna add you to be promote to local variable. Start pulse local. And probably the wrong type name, but sorry, but I don't care. There we go. And I want to add this one in there. There we go. Now let's see. Oh, I need to pee. No, I don't. Sorry, right. Just add this one here and drag you all the way, and I want to move over there. There we go. That's fine. That's fine. This one I want to check. If it's false, then as usual, don't do anything. But if it's true, I want to get the neighbor. Finding edge neighbor. Target mapping is the X-Y. Isn't that this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This one is what? Where is where is it? Where is it? I did not check it over here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's in the struct. Okay, in the struct. there is indestruct. Basically, there. Thank you. And there's gonna be a little bit chaos there, indeed. Move it over there. No, a little bit down. No, come on. Thank you. Thank you so much. There we go. The room name is gonna be boom. There. Then gonna find. Basically, he's looking for an edge. Wait a minute. This one is a start, meaning he's not building anything yet. It's gonna be a little bit different. He's not gonna find. He's actually gonna find 3 out of. Unless. No, this one is the new one. This one is the start. This one is the beginning or of the last room that he added, meaning the outer hallway. So this is actually the outer hallway he's looking for. Then the correct one should be added here. So let's. So how did I find it over here? Oh, we didn't find it like this. Okay, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I want to take this and, or do I want to actually take? Find here. But here it actually will be. It's like basically having this outer hallway starting point. He will try to find this one. If this one and this one is basically the outer hallway, he's finding this one. And what I'm looking for is this one, this side. Because he starts first placing his floor there, then there, then there, and then there, and so on and so on. So I want to find this one. If this one is an edge, like a left side of the building, I basically want him to move this one over there. So he starts there with nothing here because this is grass, basically. Because I can't build a room on this side because it's a 1x1 area or 1 by whatever length it is. So now, I know you told me last time. Stop bothering me. I mean, now let's find out where. And now, in this point. He's found this one, which is fine, but it's nothing, no rooms there or there, meaning using this he will just find, I guess it's one of these. I want to find the minus y, which is don't think it matters. Just find the minus y. Basically like this I could do. And if this one is location, no, I want a relative location. There we go. And I want to find another one of these. Which is this one. Now I have found the minus y. Let's see. Then I want to do this and find side of house is equal to basically is it always gonna be on the left side? Yes. Minus y is always gonna be on the left side because it's the minus y. It's the minus y is the left side of the, yeah. So left. And if it is left, I think I'm gonna actually collapse this one. It may be a little bit cleaner, I think, yes. Oh, didn't I hold shift and drag this one too? What did you do? It's just dragged randomly stuff, annoying. I'm holding shift, you stupid fuck. It's so freakingly bugged sometimes. It annoys the hell out of me. Drag there, hold shift, drag. Thank you, and you too. That shift dragging stuff is very buggy. Now I want to just collapse nodes. Checking building site. And I want this on to be on the top, on there. There we go. There. And I want to have another execute. Then and be an execute. Thank you. And add you in there. Now I can just add this one in there to make a little bit more pretty. Sorry for the prettiness I'm making. No, I want to under there too. Yes, I do, before I poo. Now, jump function. Input room name. This is neighbors. Neighbors. Then we can go inside here and make it a little bit. Can just drag this one straight over there, and this one straight over there. Already looking pretty nice. Now let's see, this is the output, that's fine. Is this a left side? If this is a left side, then I want him to basically just wait a minute. Now let's see, starting position, boom. And finding the starting position, check if it's on left side. If it's true on the left side, I want to minus vector plus vector minus 100 here to this, and then go back there. So guys, the big question now, did this work as intended? Well, let's see. No, it didn't. Why not? Didn't see it as a left side. So let's add a breakpoint there and just see. Thank you. This is false because he's finding That's fine. He actually found something in. Did find it relative. Then it checks this side. Maybe I want to add debug stuff. No, I want to add a debug text here and plug it in there. No, stop saving while I'm dragging stuff. Thank you. Remove this one and this one plus need to be, say, let's say 100. That's fine. Add in here, just adding random stuff, and then let's test it again, guys. Needs to be tested again. Now, where did he add blue, 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 blue? Why did he then add it? Is this the minus? He's only gonna do this if it's what? He's only gonna. It's acting strange now. Maybe I have to append nothing, then just add blue. Let's see. It's kind of annoying, those macros. It's not kinda working as I wanted to sometimes, because if it's the same thing using twice, it's remembering what he's been added, as you can see. Why is it adding all the way up there? I don't get it. What if we add a Y to this one? Am I incorrect about the Y is on the left side? Maybe it's on the right side. It actually is. But then he moved it the incorrect way. That's fine. Then we can just do this and actually add just do it for the sake of doing it. We're adding this one to a plus instead of a minus, so we know now Y is on the left and minus Y is on the right. I didn't know. Now it did exactly what I wanted to. Nice. And it adds all the rooms, which I love. The kitchen here, nice, and a little bit of utility there, that's okay. And the bedroom, I don't like it wrapping the bedroom around here though. You have to go through the bedroom to get into the living room. And there's a bathroom, which is fine. And some utility stuff back there. Now it's actually looking kind of like more like a house, don't you think, guys? Except for the part with the bedroom being there. Which is fine if they have bad taste in design though. Damn it. I don't want them. This would be better if these 6 here would be the living room 2. And this will be a bedroom, which is fine, but then when one door into the kitchen, one door into the bedroom, and one door into the living room. And in the living room you can access the bathroom through either the bedroom or the living room, basically. Or no, it doesn't matter. How could I solve this then? Making this to I can't say it if it's a corner because it's corner over there too. So I need to figure out how to not wrap it around. If it's already on this side. Maybe it works though, it's not that. But I don't want it look like you have to go through the bedroom to get into the living room. That's weird. So how? So I'm making intelligence enough to understand this part shouldn't be bedroom because the living room is divided. The bedroom is dividing the living room and the hallway. That's a bad thing. Should I only make him check in the check room size? Checking if this one is on the this is a minus y axis, meaning he's building minus y there. So it should not be building on a plus y. Well, let's see. No, then it's just gonna have a little there. I don't like that. No, it would actually stop here in a sense, and don't build those two if it's so. If I'm going in here to adding rooms, going back in there. No, where is it? Adding outer shell. Adding these rooms. Let's see. To check. That's the last position. But I want to set the. Yes, Wisebot, I know. Stop bothering me. Adding outer shell. Or do I want to add it into the checking room stuff? If it has one. A 1x1 basically alone. I want him to remove that room from that room. Could I find out where they can use this in here? This one's meant to fill out. I think I'm gonna add I will start with I want to start basically building the living room before I build the bedroom. I think it would be the best option, because now it's probably gonna add the bedroom before the living room. I don't like that. So, and I think the music stopped. That little twat. There we go. Now back. I want to start with living room first. Rooms to add. I always want to start with the living room first. So I'm guessing this one. Do it same as that one, only with the living room, I guess. Let's try it. Let's try it. Just move this a little bit down first. Oh, damn it. There we go. Now, add this one there and drag it down there. Rooms to add. I want to add living room. No, remove the living room from there afterwards though. So I think I'm gonna just do this. Copy, paste. Just change this into, no crap, I didn't want to deselect it. There. I want to drag it over there. Now I want to add this one there. Now it's okay to use a corner here on the living room. Kiosk is acting. I want actually the connected room to be added in here, like I did earlier where you didn't see. So let's add the connecting room in here. There we go, and add it in there. So last room that's connected to. That's fine, that's fine. Change hallway. No, I want actual living room. Living room, I tell you. Where is that living room? There we go. Living room in there. And actually want to add it for sure. I don't want to. Did it add the connected room? Yeah, he did add it there. That's fine. Then I want to add maximum length and stuff. I want to actually use the same thing over here. Now copy, paste, and I want just remove this one. Just add this one up here, there and there. Now, and could move this one a little bit up there. No, this one I don't need at all actually. Move this one up there and then drag this one out. Sorry for the boring stuff of this, I don't mean to make it boring. Now it finds the correct size, which is nice, and then it finds the correct foundation, which is edge or corner, which is fine, and it's not in the front, which is fine. Then it finds a random, selected the corner or edge of the last room, finding the edge of it basically, making sure it has a minimum size, which I want to find there. Copy. Right, I want to find it in the living room, minimum size there, and I want to this one actually should be run through either way, no matter what. There you go. What I move. There we go. Living room is added. But I need to find where is he setting the foundation again. I need to set it to the living room shape plane. Sure, there we go. Living room, not yes, hallway basically. And I need to go over here, checking, get the room direction. Sure, that's all fine. It's at outer shell. It needs to be a living room. Now over here I actually want, where is this room to add? Get. And I want to remove, first of all, no, I actually want to go in here and find the new music. Yes, I want to find the new music. There you go. Thank you. Now going back here, what did he look for? It's the number of room info. Okay. Number of room info. It's up there. Find is the living room. And then I'm gonna, is this one above 1 basically? If it's more than one room, more than one living room added to this, then I want to add this one to the living room. Then I want to take this one -1 and add it there. But if it's not, I want to remove this one. Remove item, living room. There we go. In this case, it's gonna be removing it, so it shouldn't create 2 living rooms when I only want 1, basically. Now let's see, what does he do? He has a new layout. That's fine. Bathroom. Actually, this works perfectly. And a small kitchen here. Actually, this is awesome. Coming in here in front, going through the hallway into the living room, and there's a small closets thing you can use, or storage place. Why did my phone just turn off the bloody... I have to check my camera phone slash... You lost connection, why? strange. Why did it lose connection? Now I just need to check the camera. If I shake this, does it? Oh, I didn't know that. Can I do it again? Fun. Fun, shake it. Now, could I reconnect it from here? Just remove the hardcode stuff and stuff. Now, let's see what he does. Need to check. I need to check. I totally do. No, I'm just going to add. No. Oh, I almost lost my phone. Let's reconnect this. Come on. Find my cam, please. Annoying. Sorry, guys. It's been difficult. Damn it. Are you guys still there, by the way? Yeah, it seems like I have internet. I have to double check it. Yeah, it's updating quite nicely, so it's fine. Seems like the internet is still here though, which is nice. Yeah. I just need to. Yes, I have to log in and out of the network. To make it work. Just a sec, guys. Just a sec. Come on. I'm so sorry guys, this takes some time to connect because we have some problems with the service network stuff. Annoying, it says no internet connection, but that's bullshit. Just come on, it's a bit slow, this network stuff. Come on. 2 viewers. Oh, 1 left. That's too bad. No. Just need to see if that's not the wrong password. Fuck you. Sorry for that language. The network, the wireless is kind of acting strange. I'm sorry, I guess it's normal camera, guys. Sorry, you have to live without the camera for me the rest of the day, I guess. So no cams. I'm just gonna remove the capture device. There we go. Which is quite annoying. Yeah, let's continue. Now, looks perfectly as I said. Because you go into the living room and I have a doorway into the kitchen where you do whatever. Don't like that it is so small. A small kitchen, yeah, some places have small kitchens, so well, I guess it's okay. Now, and then we have a bathroom in between, which doesn't matter. You could either enter in the hallway or the living room and into the bedroom, and this actually works perfectly. Nice. Now let's do another test. What if we take where is the stream? Let's change the stream again to another one. Let's see how this one is gonna be. Oh, I didn't need to run and jump. This one is kind of strange. It didn't have a hallway, which is fine actually. It doesn't matter if this is a living room actually. It's gonna be a smaller living room though, but... And here's the kitchen, a large kitchen and a small living room. And bedroom here, but you have to go through the bedroom to get into there. And then a large area of... Where did it start? It starts over here. It shouldn't start over here because this one is... The minimum size is 4x4 on a living room. This is not a 4x4. Now let's go in here again. The check of size is incorrect. This is fine. Now I want to... Actually, I think I'm gonna... check if equals... Right. And I think I'm gonna... take this one, and I don't need this one actually, could be gone. This one and find, just to have it to minus y and do the same. Relative location, and I want to actually do the same thing here. Find, no, not drag, find this one in there, and I want to break this one up, and I want to do the same thing here with the side of house. Plug it in there, thank you. And I want to be a branch there to say no, I didn't want to do that. I want to actually have the right and then add this one there. If it's false, just go right through, do nothing. Then I want to actually take this minus 100 there and add it to that one. So if it's on the other side, it should be added. Ah, crap, I didn't want to do that. I want to do this. So if it's the other side, it moves on the other side. Just make sure it's not just one tile between nothing and him, basically. Now, I want to check the room size. Start, which is the neighbor. That's fine. Free room size, it's probably the problem. And the music again. Why does everything just disappeared here? I don't like that. No, where is that? There we are. Next. There we go. It's just one here. By the way, guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream today. I'm still gonna work, but I'm gonna end the stream because I got a lot to do. My kids are sick and wife is home with them. I need to go down and help them. So, and I need to fix the net, the wireless net stuff. So, I see you guys later. I'm gonna stream tomorrow again. I hope not too cold. And let me we can keep contact in the Discord stuff. So, I'll see you guys. It's been awesome. Thanks for coming by. Bye bye. See ya. Love you all.